Hello class, this is a continuation on finding the point of intersection of pairs of lines. Let's move on to our next example here. So what we want to do before we can start graphing is we need a table of values. So let's complete our table of values here. Let's do our first one. We substitute -2. So it's going to be -2 plus 3 is going to be 1. -1, because we're substituting this value, -1 plus 3 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 2 plus 3 is 5. Let's substitute these values now, just to make it a little bit easier for us later. So let's substitute these values in. We have -2, 1. -2, 1 is here. That's our point. -1, 2. -1, 2. 0, 3, 0, 3. 1, 4, 1, 4. And 2, 5, 2, 5. Let's join these dots and extend our line. Here we are. Make sure it's as accurate as we can get it. Let's draw little arrows to say that these lines are extending, and that equation is y equals x plus 3. This is y equals x plus 3. Let's graph our next line here. This one's a lot trickier. Let's do this one. -2. -2 times 2 is -4. -4 plus 9. That's 9 minus 4. 5. 2 times -1. So that's -2 plus 9 is going to be 7. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 9 is 9. You can already see a pattern happening here, by the way. It's a little hint that you can use. Let's move on. 2 times 1, 2 times x, 2 times 1, plus 9 is 11. 2 times x, which is 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, plus 9, 4 plus 9 is going to be 13. Okay, let's graph these points now, and just so that we can see this a little bit better, let's do this in red. So -2, 5, -2, 5, -1, 7, -1, 7, 0, 9, 0, 9. Let's keep going. 1, 11, 1, 11. And since our grid goes off, we won't graph this point. Already we can't see where this will intersect. However, if we extend our points, we should be able to see where they actually will meet. Let's take a look here. Let's try and extend these points. I'm gonna try and extend these ones here, all the way back here. There we go. extend these points, extend these points. That's our second line. So let's draw the equation, or write the equation. It's y equals 2x plus 9. And as you can see, it's very clear where it meets. It's right here. And the coordinates of these points is -6, -3, -6, -3. So as to write our coordinates here, the solution for this is -6, -3. At this point, I'm going to skip past this. I'm going to pause the video, and then you're going to see this finish straight away. So you're going to see it at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And here we go. So we finished the table of values here. And now let's plot the coordinates of these points. Here we go. Let's plot the first one now. This is going to be 0, 10, 0, 10, all the way up here. 1, 8, 1, 8, 2, 6, 2, 6, and 3, 4. Okay, so let's remember, don't graph just this. We have to extend the line as far as it can go. So accurately as we can, extending this line. Here we go. So the equation of this line is y equals -2x plus 10. And now graphing the other line, 0, -8, 0, -8, 1, -7. As you can see, it's going up by 1s. 2, -6, 3, -5, 3, and -5. Once again, let's join these dots, making sure we extend our points. There we are. The equation of this line is y equals x minus 8 here. This is y equals x minus 8. And once again, it's very clear to see where they meet. There's a point right here. And the coordinates of that point is 6, -2. That is 6, -2. Writing that down now. The point of intersection of this is 6, -2. So I hope that gave you an insight and an example in how to plot and find the points of intersection of two lines. Best of luck!